pirmahan yung report, ano?
Ha?
Ayaw niyo pong pirmahan yung report as of now.
Yeah, oo. Sinisiguro ko sa taong bayan na hindi ako kailanman pumirma ng anumang papel hinggil sa budget ng 2025 o sa BICAM report na yan na nagsusulong na magbawas ng pera sa mga lehitimong proyekto. Paano ko naman pipirmahan ang blankong papel?
Yung BICAM has been called now the third chamber kasi binabago talaga nila binabago nila yung budget. Nung araw, inabutan ko pa yun sa that was 16th Congress na kung ano yung natapos ng House
Appropriations Act.
GAB, at saka yung GAB na ginawa ng Senate, gagawa pa kami ng matrix. Yung House version kasi versus Senate version, then yung variance. Yun ang pag-usapan nyo kung ano yung
Reconciliation.
reconciliation, may matrix. Ngayon, binabago talaga nila lahat. So, that's why we call it third chamber. Yung possible imagination na may fourth chamber na nag-fill up. Well, kung meron man, those who sign are still responsible kasi sila pumirma.
Yung mga blanco. You cannot pass a law with blank.
It has to be complete in itself.
That is not allowed. Bakit mo ilagay blanco dyan? Oh, if it's a contingent amount, you place the contingent amount. Whether it falls short or sobra, then you can add. Or kunin mo kung may sobra. But you cannot speculate by placing a blank there for the amount of the appropriations or whatever it is. It is not allowed by law. You cannot pass an incomplete appropriation or bill for that matter, whatever. It leaves an speculation. Ano pa yung tao ano bang ibig sabihin nito? Ano bang ilagay natin dito? Then, whoever is the end user of this papel would have ngayon, kung bright ka, sige, ilagay na natin dito, pasobra natin ng konti. Para yung, ganun talaga yan, o kulang. O sige, sobrahan ninyo, o kulangan ninyo. Then you leave the money intended for any public purpose to the speculation or to the guessing game of the people who are supposed to implement the law. Bawal yan. Bawal yan. And you can go to jail for that. Mind you.
With all these findings, makikita natin na defective yung BICAM report. At bakit pinirmahan ng members? So the House and the Senate ratified defective BICAM report. In other words, apektado yung ating GAA because BICAM report was defective. What was ratified by both houses are defective. Ang daming kulang na blanco that can be shown in the BICAM report at pirmado. So, yun ang aking nakikita na findings.